Hello, everyone. Thank you, as I'm excited to be one of two finalists for the Director of Learning and Development for KPMG Latin America. What would I do for the first 30, 60, and 90 days? Here is my game plan. For the first 30 days, it is all about my immersion into KPMG's culture through its mission and how its overall purpose equates its vision for itself in the future. Most importantly, what are the core values that spells out KPMG's identity for itself, its global team, and the message it provides to its clients and customers? Learning solutions, products, and resources must radiate, carry, and connect to the target audience with the primary message of the organization's purpose to ensure it communicates, engages, and radiates with them. Building connections and communicating one's personal brand is important. This is why the first 30 days will also be about building relationships with key strategic champions, the target audience the various future learning solutions will support, and their leadership across the enterprise. Last but certainly not least, the goal of communication is mutual understanding. I engage with an open mind, positive intent, and a curious heart in asking what can learning and development do in enhancing workplace performance? What would you like to see provided in learning solutions, and what keeps you up at night in regard to professional development as it relates to operational success? Because this will provide the supportive information needed for the next 30 days. Most organizations have an idea of the performance level they believe their teams can achieve. These next 30 days is about identifying what performance level do we want to be at, where are we currently, and how can learning and development close these performance gaps? Is it a lack of knowledge, a disconnect in skill level, outdated facilities or equipment, a culture that negatively impacts the willingness of the target audience, or something else? Well, we'll find out through the utilization of pre-existing key performance indicators or KPIs, possibly the instituting of new ones, analyze and review both quantifiable and qualifiable data, and the evaluation of feedback of what the targeted audience and their leaders would like to see. From analyzing the needs, we go to the design and development and beta implementation of updated or new learning solutions. This also includes the introduction of updated or new resources and tools to help support the enhancement of workplace performance, because now we are ready for the next 30 days. The next 30 days is all about the full implementation of updated or new learning solutions, resources, and tools based on the previous beta tests. This is where we start to gather data based on Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation. Level 1, did the target audience like or dislike this learning solution? Level 2, can the target audience remember the concepts provided after 2 weeks or maybe 3? We will be looking for effectiveness of the solutions and products, their value proposition, and how they overall enhance workplace performance. The goal of communication, once again, is mutual understanding. So communication is constant. However, 90 days from the start is a great time to check back in with strategic champions, the target audience, their leadership, and of course, senior leadership. When it comes to implementing any learning solutions, depending on the topic or subject, 90 days is fast. This is why at 120 days, it is full-blown performance evaluation of the target audience to see if any specific behaviors have changed, level 3 of Kirkpatrick's 4 levels of evaluation, and how those behaviors have impacted organizational results, level 4. This is what I would like to do in my first 90 days to include an additional 30 days if offered this incredible opportunity. Lastly, I would like to communicate with a target audience in Latin America directly. Mi nombre es Sam Caballero y soy uno de los 2 finalistas para el puesto de director de aprendizaje y desarrollo para América Latina. Tengo más de 20 años de experiencia brindando aprendizaje y desarrollo para organizaciones como la Fuerza Aérea de los Estados Unidos, Burger King, Chevron y Centros para el Control de la Prevención de Enfermedades o CDC. Te espero conectar, apoyar y ayudar con el aprendizaje y el desarrollo. Gracias y nos vemos.